Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Kubernetes Engine authentication and RBAC full guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Kubernetes Engine authentication and RBAC, begin by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Google Kubernetes Engine section. Select the Kubernetes cluster you wish to configure. Locate the Edit button to modify your cluster settings. Scroll down to the Security section. Enable the Enable Kubernetes RBAC option. Next, confirm your changes by clicking on Save. Wait for the configuration to apply, which may take a few moments. Once the changes are saved, open your terminal or command prompt. Authenticate your cloud session by running the command cloud-auth login. Set your project with the command cloud config set project your _project _ID. Now, get credentials for your Kubernetes cluster with Cloud Container Clusters. Get credentials your _cluster _name zone your _zone. With your Kubernetes configuration updated, create a role or cluster role based on your requirements. If you need a role, use the following command to create it in a specific namespace. kubectl create role _name verb equals get verb equals list resource equals pods names. Alternatively, if you require a cluster role for the entire cluster, the command is kubectl create cluster role _name verb equals get verb equals list resource equals pods. Next, create a role binding or cluster role binding to grant permissions to a user or service account. For a role binding in a specific namespace, use kubectl create role binding _name role equals role _name user equals user _name namespace equals namespace. To create a cluster role binding, the command is kubectl create cluster role binding _name cluster role equals cluster _role _name user equals user _name. After executing those commands, you have successfully set up RBAC. To verify your configurations, use kubectl get roles and kubectl get role bindings for your namespace. For cluster roles and cluster role bindings, use kubectl get cluster roles and kubectl get cluster role bindings. Review the output to ensure your roles and bindings are correct. Now your Google Kubernetes Engine is fully configured with authentication and role-based access controls. Finally, begin testing your configurations by trying to access resources based on the roles you've defined. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.